Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon nuggets. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of fresh salmon, ensuring the skin is removed. Grab 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a fresh lemon for brightness. Don't forget your essential seasonings like salt, pepper, and a touch of garlic powder to enhance the flavor. Now let's prepare the salmon. Start by cutting your salmon fillets into uniform 1-inch cubes. This ensures even cooking. Next, it's crucial to pat the salmon pieces very dry with paper towels. This helps them crisp up beautifully. Finally, in a bowl, gently toss the salmon cubes with the olive oil and your preferred seasonings until each piece is well coated. It's time to cook these delicious nuggets. You have a few great options. If pan frying, cook them for 3 to 4 minutes per side until they are golden brown and cooked through. For an air fryer, set it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Alternatively, you can bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. Your salmon nuggets are ready. Serve them immediately while they are warm and tender. A fresh squeeze of lemon juice over the top adds a wonderful bright flavor that complements the salmon perfectly. For an extra treat, consider pairing them with your favorite dipping sauces, like a creamy dill aioli or a classic tartar sauce. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful salmon nuggets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.